Gamers are changing how we buy real estate. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually enjoyed house hunting? Think about it. You block out your Saturday and you sit in traffic. You drive to 10 different properties. Then by the end of the day, you didn't like any of them. And that's considered normal, right? But here's the real question. Why are we still buying homes like it's 1999 when gamers have been living in the future for years? Gamers already know this feeling. If you're a gamer, this will make immediate sense. When you jump into a game, you don't watch someone else play and imagine what it feels like. You don't flip through screenshots and hope for the best. You load into the world, you walk around, you explore, you check the lighting, you look at the layout, you get a feel for the space. You're not guessing, you're experiencing. Now compare that to real estate. Most people are still shopping for the biggest purchase of their life through flat photos, shaky videos, and rushed 15-minute showings. That's the problem. This is the biggest waste of time in real estate. Right? Let's be real. Driving around to see properties is one of the most inefficient processes ever created. Half the homes don't match the photos. The layout is not what you envisioned. The vibe just isn't there, and you don't know all this until after you drive there. So you repeat the process again and again. It's exhausting. And here's the thing. It's not because people enjoy it. It's because we haven't upgraded the system. Now imagine this instead. From the comfort of your home or office, you're wearing AR or VR goggles touring homes. The future is near as Meta and Asus launch slimmer AR glasses that look like regular sunglasses. This new tech allows you to pull up active listings, not photos, not videos, but digital twins of real homes that's active and currently on the market. You don't just watch videos of the house, you enter it. You walk through the front door, you turn left into the kitchen, you stand in the living room and look at the ceiling height, you walk upstairs and see how the bedrooms actually connect. You check the backyard view from the master bedroom, you explore the house the same way you explore a game world. That's not the future, that exists right now. So what is a digital twin? A digital twin is a fully immersive, interactive 3D replica of a real property. Digital twins also allow you to create 3D blueprints to show you dimensions and measurements. It's not a render or a fake model. It's an actual real home that's scanned, mapped, and recreated digitally so you can walk through it anytime. And here's why that matters. You can eliminate 90% of showings before you ever step foot in a car. You narrow down your choices, which saves you a ton of time. This totally makes sense, right? You already know if the layout and floor plan works. You get a sense if the flow feels right and if the space matches your lifestyle. By the time you visit in person, it's no longer at a point where you're just looking. It's validation of a property that you already previewed and like. Digital twins saves us time. The lengthy process is the biggest bottleneck in real estate. On the flip side, sellers don't want tire kickers. Agents spend hours on showings that go nowhere. Digital twins flip that entire equation. Instead of, let's see 10 homes and hope one works, it becomes, I've already explored 20 homes virtually, so let's visit the 2 that actually matter. That's efficiency. That's how gamers think. Why gamers adapt faster than everyone else? Gamers already understand how to navigate virtual environments, spatial awareness, first-person exploration, and real-time decision-making. So when you introduce digital twins to real estate, gamers don't ask, is this for real? They ask, why wasn't it always done this way all along? This is crazy, because to them, it's obvious. If you can explore fantasy worlds, why wouldn't you explore real homes in the same way? Now consider this because this is a huge game changer. We can take this one step further, and it can change everything for international buyers. What if you don't even live in the same city or the same country? Traditionally, that meant booking flights, staying at hotels, and coordinating schedules. With digital twins, you can tour real homes anytime and from anywhere in the world. You have the ability to view the property in advance. Suddenly, distance stops being a barrier. Real estate becomes global, the same way gaming already is. This isn't just tech, it's a mindset shift. This isn't about tech VR, meta goggles, or AR glasses. It's about how we make decisions. As the saying goes, time is money. Gamers don't commit hours to something without exploring it first. They want to explore and move around the space at will. Digital twins bring that exact mindset into real estate. Now imagine this layered with live data, renovation options, furniture and space planning, lighting changes depending on the time of day, and checking out the property views. Your house isn't just a listing, it's an interactive world. And once people experience that, there's no turning back. The bottom line is gamers didn't change real estate by accident. They changed it by expecting better experiences. And now that expectation is bleeding into the real world. Because once you've walked through a home virtually, once you've explored before committing time, once you've experienced real estate the way gamers experience worlds, driving around blindly feels outdated. The future of home buying isn't about seeing more houses. It's about house shopping in a smarter way. Digital twins are how we get there.